Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark, and just in a minute you will see my sister. That's Lauren. A lot's happened in the last 4 years since we last uploaded a video to YouTube. Lauren started working for me, got a bigger van. We now do garden contracts as well as all the handyman stuff. But we was out the other day in B&Q and we saw this Erbauer lawnmower. It is a ELM 18Li and it was usually 319 quid, but for £100 we thought it was a right steal. So today we're going to review it, have a blast on some of the gardens we're doing today and see how it fares. It holds two 5 amp hour batteries. The key to start it was missing, but we managed to find one on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description box below. So if any of you lot have got this lawnmower and you've lost the key, we've got a link for you. You get a key again. I think the key was only, off the top of my head, about £6.99 hopefully. I think that's what it was. So yeah, Lauren's going to be chief lawnmower today and have a blast at it, see how it gets on, and along the way we'll see how it does. So stay tuned. So Lozzie, what are your first impressions on that lawnmower?
Yeah, really nice, light to push, easy to turn, smooth cutting, a lot quieter than the petrol one.
Oh, it's loads quieter, isn't it?
Yeah, so yeah, I really enjoyed mowing today.
And how easy is it to adjust the cutting height on the lawnmower?
So just down here, you can just pull it, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, so nice and easy, just up and down.
And we're normally down to a 2 cutting now, aren't we?
Yes, so we're normally on a 2, which I'll just pop it back up to now.
And how easy it is to start it?
So when it comes to starting it, so you press your red button, you pull that.
It's dead quiet, isn't it? Compared to the petrol one we've got, a lot quieter. Oh, and it's stopped straight away as well, doesn't it?
Straight away, nice and safe.
So
if you're carrying it, you're not going to get yourself...
If you have a look how the batteries are faring, I know it's only a short cut, but yeah, full still, batteries are still doing well. So all in all, we'll crack on, do that bottom bit of the garden and on to the next one and see how it fares. Oh yeah, it's dead easy, isn't it, to move? I mean, I know this ain't the best part of the garden because you don't get much light, but seeing how it manoeuvres is a lot easier than it was. The petrol one, that petrol one weighs a ton.
It's not heavy, you can turn it easy.
Do you reckon?
Lift it up and turn it around you.
Do you reckon you would be happy using battery from now on or not?
Yeah, 100%. The petrol one is way too heavy, and I hate going like this all the time.
Oh, pulling on the pull start.
Pull. Yeah, and obviously with your petrol, you have to bend down and pump it, whereas this one's just a quick.
Yeah, batteries in and off you go. Yeah. Yeah, just have to see how you get on. Right folks, as you've just seen, we've just done 2 gardens. We're on to our 3rd one. This one's quite a big garden. We're going to test the lawnmower out to see how much grass it can hold in its bag and see how it fares with charge. We've only lost 1 bar off each battery, I'll just spin my phone around so you can see how big this lawn is. So this one's pretty big. Lauren's just checking for any dog muck because she owns pets in this property. So once she's done that, she'll start mowing. But we've got all that to mow. So going back to the lawnmower, it's got a 46 centimetre blade. Just chuck it up on its side. It's got plenty of space for the grass to flow around and into the bag. The bag, I think is about 65 litres. I'll double check on the instructions for that. But yes, Lauren's going to crack on with this one and see how much charge we take off the batteries and how much grass it can contain before it needs emptying. So stay tuned. So Lauren, after that cut on that side,
Yeah.
How are we doing for fullness of the bag?
So we've got it on number 2, and we've done one side, and we've still got,
Still got plenty. It's not even filled it, has it?
just
I mean, grass has had a hard time this summer, but all in all, it's done a pretty good cut. I mean, I'm going to go round with a strimmer and tidy up all the edges, and then she'll do a final go round again with the lawnmower. So Lozzie, get that lid open, let's see how it's done cutting the entire back lawn. That's not too bad then, is it? You know, for us, if we're using it all the time, I mean, how much, could we get any small space out of it? I don't think so, because it'll just stress trying to push the grass in and come back out. That's not too bad, is it?
No.
For the size of this garden. How you getting on?
Yeah, I just need this pan and brush.
You done them 2 front ones, yeah?
Yeah, all done. And then
How are we doing for battery?
I've got 2
2
and 2.
2. Oh, we're not doing too bad then. So they're the other 2 lawns I was on about on this property. Lauren's just gone over, and if you've just seen that, she got 2 bar left on each battery. So off to the next garden, see how it does on that one. So we're on to another garden, 2 bar of battery. Gonna see if it gets through this little bit. So there's only that bit and this. I mean, the lawns at the moment are looking worse for wear because of the hot weather we had recently. But Lauren's getting on all right with the lawnmower. The only issue she has is keep getting it outside, out the back of the van. So the weight of it, she struggles to, I mean, ought to make her a ramp really when we're doing garden maintenance, but if you own one of these vans, it's a bit of a drop. But she struggles to get it out herself, so I have to give her a hand. So Lozzie, how many lawns have we done up to yet?
So far we've done 7.
So let's check the battery, and we're on 1 bar on that battery and 2 bar on that battery. I don't think we'd make probably another 3 lawns, do you reckon?
No, I think we'd possibly do half of another lawn maybe.
Yeah. It's not bad really.
No, it's not bad at all.
I mean, for 100 quid, you can't go wrong really. So, to be honest, I've had a go on it. Lauren's been using it most of the time, and I think it's a pretty good lawnmower. Manoeuvrability is pretty good.
Pretty lightweight.
Yeah, lightweight.
Easy start.
Well, it's lightweight to move, but it's heavy to pick up and put in the van, because Lauren's got to pick it up from there and put it into there. So I'm forever helping her, which we're hoping it's going to be lighter than the petrol one. Can you just fold it up, Lauren, and just see how it goes in?
No, I can't.
It's a bit of a faff, isn't it, on there? These usually are on all lawnmowers.
This one tends to be for some reason.
Just put that up like that, and that one up like that.
And we should finally go down.
And
then now, to lift it, you've got to grab this.
yeah.
You can lift it like that, but you're not going to get it in. So you've got to go to the front. And with all your strength, get it up.
Would you say that's heavier than the petrol lawnmower?
100% for me.
Yeah?
This is a lot heavier, yeah.
What, than the petrol one?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, you got the weight of that engine, ain't you? And them two 5-amp batteries, which are pretty heavy. But if you're not using it for work and it's just for your lawn at home,
Yeah.
it's more than ample, isn't it? Easy.
Yeah, yeah.
The cut's good on it. And just going back to the specs, it is 50 litre capacity on the bag, up to 550 metre squared lawns. We've done way more than that, to be honest. And 6 adjustable heights from 25 to 75 mil, and cutting with 46 centimetres. I think, to be honest, based on the actual weight of it, I was hoping it was going to be lighter for you to get in and out of the van. But to be honest, I think it's more top heavy, isn't it? Like, you know, the end heavy around this area, I think that's where you find it difficult to get it up. But all in all, it's not a bad lawnmower, is it?
It's not bad, it's not bad. It's easy to lift up, but if you don't have to and you're just pushing it along, yeah, it's great.
I think
Easy to get the bag off a lot of grass. Yeah, can't fault it. It's just obviously folding the arms down a little bit.
bit
And
awkward.
sometimes the lid to the bag will get stuck on the screw when you're getting the grass out.
Yeah,
But
Lauren's on about, you see where these come through here. I think you just have to faff about. I mean, it's all right at the moment. I think she's faffed about it.
Yeah.
It's just need to adjust these out enough for the flap to go past them. Look, it's just missing them. I mean, it's just a bit of a niggle, that is, to be honest. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it to homeowners. Absolutely.
Oh, 100%.
And I mean,
You can for work as long as you've got somewhere to charge halfway through the day.
yeah,
We're up to 7 and we've got 2 bars left, so
it's not too bad, is it?
no, you probably get half a lawn now before
Do
you
you
got to
reckon?
recharge it.
I reckon we get another lawn out of it.
Yeah, another 2 maybe.
But if you can get it for 100 quid, like we
Bargain.
did, bargain, cheaper, oh man, you're living life, to be honest. So we're going to crack on with the rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to leave some comments below, and if there's anything else you want us to review, let us know and we can see if we can sort it out for you. See you soon, folks.